Hey everybody, how's it going? Reed Gonzalez here of Gonzo Box, and today I am telling you about the newest feature to the Apex driver apps, both Android and iOS. Today's June 27, 2019. Just a couple days ago there was an update in Android, and today the iOS was updated. And what am I talking about today? The mileage and expense tracker. So let's get right into it. So we'll go ahead and open up the app here. All right, go in there and go to the little hamburger menu up there, and that'll drop to the side. And there you see it, mileage tracker. So let's tap on that. First thing we'll put in there is we could add an expense. All right, so tap that. And today, I went and had lunch. It was a business lunch, so put in the amount. And then select a category. We'll put food and drinks. Then optionally, I could put a photo. So sure, I'll go ahead and snap a photo of my receipt. Here we are. Use photo. Done. All right, so that will upload. Then obviously I think I'll put some notes in there as well. Why not? All right, there you have it. So that's uploaded, and let's go ahead and go into the mileage tracker too. So the mileage tracker, what you do is you put your start of the odometer meeting for when you start driving. So at the beginning of the day, put in your mileage. Okay. And then start. And it will put a time and date stamp at the top with your beginning odometer reading. Then you could put a photo in there as well if you like. I'm going to go ahead and skip that part. Photo would just be taking a picture of your odometer. And at the end of the day, you could put, you go ahead and stop it. So put your ending reading and hit stop. Me, I just put my beginning mileage and ending mileage at the end of the day. That's why it says duration 30 seconds. Of course, if you start it actually at the beginning of your day, it'll count it for all day long. And then it shows you what your deduction will be. So for that, 142.63. All right, so total deduction for the day. There you have it. You could view transactions. So let's tap on view transaction. And then you have your expense from lunch and your mileage transaction. Okay, and then we'll go back and get reports. This is a cool little feature here. So if you hit the get reports button there, all right, you can send it. It'll auto-populate it with your account email. Or you could go ahead and put in whatever email you want to send it to. So it doesn't have to be one on your account. And then hit send, and it'll bring you back to here. So there you have it, guys. What do y'all think, huh? So I think it's really cool because there are plenty of other expense and mileage tracking apps out there. Sure, some of them are free, but I like to have all my stuff in one place. There are others, like currently I use QuickBooks, and that's $10 a month. Right? There are ways to get discount on that. So this is already at least a $10 value for you. So go ahead, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and you're at least getting that tracker out of it. And I want to know what you think. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. And remember to drive smarter, not harder. All right, talk to you later.